Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a sway to mirror sway, sometimes called a sway to sway. You're going to need to know how to do a sway already, but I think that's only prerequisite you really need in your toolbox. So the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's break that down. We start off man's right, ladies right, standard sway entry. So we go back and we go wrap. Now ideally, remember, try and get the lady's hand flat over the hip as opposed to bending the wrist back. Okay, this is one of those things that has a tendency to go wrong with the sway, so it's always worth checking your technique with that one. We want to take the lady's spare hand and we do our sway back. From here, it's important that the guy steps back on the right. It's possible to do this if the guy steps back on the left, but it's going to make the footwork easier if the guy steps back right. So from here, we go forwards together, everybody taking a step on the right. We're going to take another step onto the left while we kind of flip, so we're turning 180 degrees to the right, so the lady is on the right hand side, she'll end up on the left hand side. Left hand goes to the hip, right hand comes off, so we are now side by side and feet together, ready to do the sway back again. This time not so important which foot the guy goes back on, so we sway the lady back. From here we're going to send the lady forwards. Ladies are going to end up going feet together while the guy heads over to the other side, so hands onto the hips as the guy heads over, and then from this position left hand comes off, back to a normal sway, and then finish as you would a normal sway. So send the lady out, change hands or not as you come to face, return, and you are there. So let's think about the numbers. We go semicircle back, 1, wrap, 2, sway back, 3, forwards, 4, flipping, 5, twisting out, 6, forwards, 7, twisting out, 8, away 1, switch 2, return 3, and back 4. Of course, the hand switch is optional. So we're ready. Let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a sway to sway. We go a back, wrap, sway, step, flip, twist, forwards, twist, away, look, return, and back. And that is that. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you are enjoying our videos and find them useful, please put a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to know every time a new video comes out, then also turn on the notification bell. We'll pop a music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.